Garmin Venu GPS smartwatch with bright touchscreen display. Features music, body energy monitoring, animated workouts, pulse ox sensor. Garmin Venu smartwatches are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews and put up the best Garmin Venu smartwatch from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. This is the vivoactive 4 there. That's better, it can do amazing things. Easy to follow workout watch. Preloaded animated exercises. Garmin Pay contactless payments. Bewheel T in music storage. A wide selection of sports apps. Menstrual cycle tracking, helps you get a full picture of your health. Sleep tracking, pulse ox and respiration. See your available energy watch body battery. All this with up to 8 days of battery life. Product information. Memory card slot, no. Internal stories, ROM, 32 GB. 3 GB RAM. Camera, yes. Sound, loudspeak, yes. Audio jack, no. SIM, eSIM. Batteries. 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included, 8-day batteries life. Wireless communication technologies, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Connectivity technologies, Bluetooth, USB. GPS, GPS enabled. Special features. Sleep monitor, breath monitor, GPS. Phone call, heart rate monitor. Display technology. AMOLED, other display features, wireless. Device interface, primary, touchscreen, buttons, form factor, watch, color, slate black, included components, Venu 2 Plus, charging data cable. Product dimensions. 1.6 by 1.6 by 0.48 inches. Item weight. 1.3 ounces. Features and details. Suit your style with a smartwatch that's available in 3 colors. And features a bright, crisp AMOLED display. Enjoy the convenience of making and taking phone calls from your wrist when paired with your compatible smartphone. Use your compatible smartphone's voice assistant to respond to text messages. Ask questions, control compatible smart home devices and more. Know your body better with extensive health monitoring features, including the health snapshot feature, body battery energy levels, sleep score and insights, fitness age, stress tracking and more. This device is intended to be an estimation of your activity and metrics. It is not a medical device. Find new ways to keep your body moving, with more than 25 built-in indoor and GPS sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, HIIT, swimming, golf and many more. Use preloaded workouts that include cardio, yoga, strength, HIIT and Pilates. Create your own in the Garmin Connect app, on your compatible smartphone. Or try Garmin Coach free adaptive training plans to help you prepare for your next running challenge. Download up to 650 songs to your watch, including playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music or Deezer. May require a premium subscription and connect with your wireless headphones for phone-free listening. With a supported country and payment network, leave your cash and cards at home. Garmin Pay contactless payments let you pay for purchases on the go. Safety and tracking features include incident detection during outdoor walks, runs and bike rides, and assistance, both of which send a message with your live location to emergency contacts. Requires setup in your smartphone to be in an area with network coverage where data connectivity is available. Get an uninterrupted picture of your health, thanks to battery life of up to 9 days in smartwatch mode and up to 8 hours in GPS mode with music, plus rapid recharging in battery saver mode. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.